Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation template on your Canva. So go to canva.com and log into your account. Once you log in and you already hit this front page or home page, scroll down to templates and you can choose here the presentation. There you go. All right. So you can choose among all the templates available. And if not, go ahead and create a blank presentation. But for me, I'm going to choose this one, for example, and then hit this button to customize this template. And once you're done with that, go ahead and proceed with editing this presentation template. I hope that this video helped you. See you on my next video. Bye.